Hello everyone, welcome to Kotak Securities Weekly Fundamental Podcast. I am your host Rini Mehta. Global and domestic equity markets saw a sharp decline last week as investors were worried about growth expectations amid elevated inflation levels. So Sensex and Nifty were down by close to 3%. BSE mid-cap and small-cap index saw higher correction in the range of 5 to 6%. And almost all sectoral indices reported decline last week. So guys, speaking of inflation, in India, the CPI, that is Consumer Price Index inflation, in April surged to 7.79%, which was at 6.95% in March, while the index of industrial production, that is IIP growth, remained subdued at 1.9%, which was 1.5% in February. Moreover, FIIs continued their selling of Indian equities last week. Rising bond yields, high inflation levels and monetary policy tightening action by central banks, which is globally going on, will weigh on near-term sentiments which could keep markets volatile. So guys, stock-specific action will continue due to ongoing results season. Now speaking of FII flows, they continue to remain negative, as I said, in the month of May till date, and they have sold around rupees 28,921 crores. So why have they been negative? Well, same reasons. Hike in interest rates globally, concerns over rising COVID cases. These are some key triggers for foreign investors to start booking profit in an emerging market. Besides these reasons, investors are also worried about growth expectations while inflation remains elevated globally. Hence, we believe FII flows are likely to remain volatile in the near term. All emerging markets witnessed outflow in the month of May till date. Now, if you are wondering which stocks to buy in these market conditions, we have some recommendations for you. Our pick of the week is Bajaj Auto with ad rating and fair value of rupees 4,100. Guys, we expect sharp recovery in domestic three-wheeler segment. However, we expect gradual recovery in the domestic motorcycle segment amid a higher cost of ownership and supply challenges for the company. Export outlook remains stable. The company expects export segment volumes to grow by double digit on a year-on-year basis. The company has gained market share across the domestic three-wheeler segment in financial year 2022. The company will be launching an electric vehicle in the three-wheeler segment in first quarter of FY23. So guys, Bajaj Auto will also be charging up its electric vehicle two-wheeler strategy and follow a three-pronged strategy to lead in the electric vehicle two-wheeler segment. Bajaj Auto's total volumes are expected to grow at 10% CAGR over FY22 to 25, and we expect Bajaj Auto's earnings also to grow at 15% CAGR over the same period. Our fair value is based on sum of the parts valuation. And lastly, you can also consider buying Tata Motors with target of rupees 470. Tata Motors' fourth quarter consolidated EBITDA came broadly in line with our expectations. The near term may pose some challenges for the company. However, given the recent stock price correction, we believe Tata Motors is the best bet to play on global automotive cycle recovery. Also, strong momentum in domestic ICE, that is internal combustion engine and electric vehicle, passenger vehicle businesses, balance sheet deleveraging and uptick in the domestic commercial vehicle business should drive strong earnings growth for the company. Well, that's all for today. If you like our podcast, guys, do tap on the notification bell and share your feedback if any. Signing off for today. Thank you.